Hi friends, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty. In this video, I am trying to tell expected cutoff marks because I also attempted this exam. So with my personal experience and feedback collected from other people who attempted this exam, I am making this video. So in this video, expected cutoff marks only I am telling. Please note, this is not official cutoff. Just we are predicting these are the cutoff marks for different categories. Okay. In this exam, total questions 120 and total marks 120. Exam duration 2 hours. 2 hours means 120 minutes. That means for 1 minute, one question. In this 120 questions, how many organic means 40 questions organic. Those are question number 1 to 40. So friends, please pay attention. I am telling based on question paper set A. 4 sets are there, A, B, C, D. Based on question paper set A, I am telling question numbers for organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. Based on this set A question paper, organic questions 40 questions. First question number 1 to 40 organic questions, 41 to 68 inorganic questions, physical chemistry 69 to 120 physical chemistry questions. In this organic chemistry, 40 questions are given. Organic part 40 questions are given. In that 40, many questions we can attempt correctly, but some difficulty questions are there. I mean, difficulty means those questions can take more than 1 minute. Sometimes question is easy, but in that given exam time, we may do mistake. Those questions I consider as simple difficult questions. Now see this. If we analyze the paper, question number 5 in this is question number 5. How many of the following ions are aromatic? So we know that what are the aromatic conditions and which ion is not aromatic. But in that exam time, we may do mistake. So it takes more than 1 minute. Otherwise, by getting confusion, we will do mistake. So it is difficult. Next, question number 9. Question number 9 means this one. We have to get the answer this question. For this question, we have to get the answer based upon RS configuration. So in that exam time, we have to identify which is R and which is S. Based on that, we should get time. So it takes more than 1 minute. Next one is question number 10. Here also, order we should do very carefully. There is a chance to do mistake in this type of question. Next, 12. Here also same thing. How many of the following reactions, Ascent nucleophilic substitution reactions will give product by rearrangement? So we may do mistake in this. And question number 14. This one it takes more than 1 minute. And question number 16. This one also it takes more than 1 minute. And question number 19. Question number 19 means this one. It also requires more time to get the answer. Question number 28. Question number 28 means this one. So these are the difficult questions. I am expecting these questions require more than 1 minute. Remaining questions we can attempt. So out of 48 questions, these difficulty questions are 8, remaining 32. Suppose by mistake in bubbling, if we do mistake, 2 questions may be wrong, then consider only 30. Out of 32, consider 30. Next, come to the inorganic. In this inorganic, difficult questions are there. In this exam, inorganic part, only 28 questions. Question number 41 to 68. So in that 28, what are the difficult questions means? 41. So this is 41. It may be difficult for some candidates. Next, 55. 55 means this is 55. This one. Next, 57. 57 related to F black elements, so we should remember carefully. Next, 57, 58, this one also, and then 59. Okay, these questions not very difficult, but in that exam time we should answer correctly. So in this, less number of questions are given and the difficult questions are also less. Total 5 difficult questions. That means 28 minus 5 means 23. Next, come to the physical chemistry. In this, 52 questions are there. More questions from this part. In these difficulty questions, 69. 69 means this is 69 related to atomic physics, atomic structure. Next, 70. This one also difficult. It takes more time. Difficult means. Next, 81. 81 means this one, Bragg equation. Next, 82, 83, 84, symmetry elements. If we have perfection in that, then we can do answer. Otherwise, we may do mistake. Next, 85, and then 86, 87, this one, 88. And 2 more questions are there. Those are 2 more questions. 115, this one related to drugs. So this one, and 118. 118 means Carl Fisher reagent, this one. So these are the difficult questions in this. In physical chemistry, 52 questions are given. In that 12 questions are difficult, means remaining 40. Okay, by doing bubbling we may do mistake. Leave 5 questions for that, then consider 35. So organic 30, inorganic 23, physical 35. So total 88. From this, based on this, I am predicting, I am just expecting this OC category, open category cutoff marks 80 to 90 or more than 90. More than 90, more possibility is there we can get job. And between 80 to 90, I am expecting BC category 70 to 80, SC category 60 to 70, ST category 50 to 60. Okay friends, these are my expecting cutoff marks category wise. Please note, this is my expecting cutoff marks, not official cutoff marks. Thank you.